Many plants have evolved with disturbances such as fire. It's what triggers the resilience response within fire-adapted ecosystems. What prompts the plants to resprout and germinate? But immediately after a large disturbance like fire, the ecosystem is vulnerable, and further disturbance can easily destroy regenerating plants.
6 different natives. Pomelias. Small ones that you don't pick now, but you'll see later when they grow bigger.
It's post-open heart surgery, radical modification of the structure of the forest communities.
Once your site has been declared safe, and the plants have had enough time and rainfall to reveal the first stages of recovery, you can go in. Tread carefully so you don't destroy key seedlings you're relying on.
You need to be very careful when
Be
you're walking
aware of
through
your
here.
feet and don't walk around unnecessarily. Your best tools are your eyes.
Yeah, I can see that it's worthwhile doing these ones here.
When the time comes for weeding, watch that you don't accidentally pull out or damage important native plants.
Okay, with respect to the fireweed, look, these can spread really very quickly post-fire. Look underneath there, there's something else there. So I've gone to hand pull this fireweed, and I've noticed that it's having a fair amount of soil disturbance. I was actually supporting the soil in order to reduce the amount of disturbance that it would have had, but paying careful attention, I was seeing that really it would have affected the root zone of this eucalypt. That's why I've cut this weed here, because it's quite easy to actually kill the native that you're saving by hand pulling the weed species in an incorrect manner.
Ideally, get in early when weeds are small and there's still space between plants. It's easier to remove weeds without disturbing nearby natives. If weeds have grown too big to pull out easily, you might need to use techniques that cause less soil disturbance, such as cutting and painting with herbicide. Spraying can be a valuable minimal disturbance tool. Good strategy and technique will help you avoid damage to native plants. But often, some collateral damage is unavoidable, even acceptable. So don't be so cautious that you become ineffective. Seedlings of some species, such as wattles in some situations, can be plentiful, even overabundant, and you can afford to lose a few. But take care with species or even parts of the site that have very few seedlings. When natives are scarce, you'll need all of them.
Some areas such as this, no worries, you can create a little bit of disturbance, but as these things grow, they develop more elaborate root structures. If you are hand pulling it, you're going to create a fair bit of disturbance and pull out tiny little seedlings that you can barely see. You may be reliant upon these.
We need to balance any damage caused by controlling weeds with the long-term benefits we're expecting.
It's a sensitive environment. Need to be careful in the way that we manage ourselves in here. We will create a level of disturbance. The idea is that the gains are greater than the losses.